everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Kaitlin here, and today I'm going to be doing a super highly requested video on my channel, and it is my skincare routine. I think this has been my most requested video for at least a year now, and I'm finally getting around to doing it today. So I'm only really doing this now because my skin has actually cleared up quite well. I was definitely not in the position to do it about 6 months ago because my skin was not that great. I just didn't want to film a skincare routine if my skin wasn't that good. I felt like the whole point is to show products that work. So I've eventually found products that I do love and have definitely been working for me. I've been using all of them for at least 2 or 3 months now, if not more. And I love them all and I want to share them with you because they have been working. If you want proof, then go and have a look at my makeup tutorials from 6 months ago and you will believe me. Also, thank you for all your lovely comments on my previous videos saying that my skin was looking good. That's really nice for me to hear because I have been struggling with my skin and it's nice to see that people are noticing. So thank you for any comments that you guys have left me. That was really kind of you. So without further ado, I'm just going to get on and talk through my skincare routine and what products I use. If you find this video helpful, if you like this video, then definitely give it a thumbs up to let me know. And if you are new to my channel and you've just found me, then I would love if you did subscribe and you can join my little family on YouTube. So I'm going to stop rambling and I'm actually going to talk about some products now. So the first thing which I do in my skincare routine is I need to wash my face. So the face wash which I use morning and evening is the Visibly Clear Pink Grapefruit Facial Wash by Neutrogena. I use this in the evening to take off my makeup, and then in the morning I use it as well just to freshen up my face because it is so refreshing. This is now my 4th bottle of this and I do absolutely love it, and it's not too harsh on your skin, so it's really great at fighting blackheads and spots, but at the same time it's not scratching your skin with those horrible little beads. So I use the Pink Grapefruit Facial Wash to take off my makeup, but if my makeup happens to be super heavy that day, then I go in with the Clinique Take the Day Off Makeup Remover on my eyes. The one which I have is actually a travel sized one, but it's lasted me about 8 months now because I only ever use it when my makeup is super heavy, and I also only ever use it on my eyes. So it's basically just there if I feel like I need an extra help with my makeup because it's particularly heavy that day. So once I've taken off all my makeup, I just wash my face with some warm water to get all the product off my face and make sure that it's all nice and clean. And then once or twice a week I go in with a scrub. The scrub which I'm using at the moment is the Body Tea Tree Scrub. This is pretty harsh, I'm not gonna lie. It has microbeads in it, so it really exfoliates your skin, and it's tea tree, so it's really good at fighting bacteria and spots. I do definitely love it and it does do a really great job, but I only use it once or twice a week because it is quite a harsh exfoliator. So after I have exfoliated, I just wash that all off with a hot flannel again. I go in and use my favourite product ever. I absolutely love this. It is the Body Shop Drops of Youth Essence Lotion. Now I just want to say right here right now that this video is not sponsored by Body Shop. I just do own a lot of their products, and most of them I have actually bought myself because I love them so much. So please trust me here, I'm not sponsored by anyone, I just have a liking to Body Shop products. So this lotion here, which I apply after exfoliating, is so lightweight and it absorbs into your skin so fast. It's kind of like a serum which has essential oils and vitamins in it that just absorb into your skin and make your skin so healthy. I honestly think this is one of the top products which has cleared up my skin. I love it. And also this bottle here lasts forever. I have been using this for 2 months now and I'm not even halfway, so I would definitely recommend getting your hands on this. I love it so much. So now on to moisturiser. During the daytime in the morning, I apply the Body Shop Drops of Youth Fresh Emulsion Moisturiser. This has SPF 20, which is why I use it during the daytime, so that I'm protected against the sun and I don't get wrinkles. It is from the same Drops of Youth range in the Body Shop, and I love that range, and this is what I use during the daytime. So in the evening time when I go in with my moisturiser, I use this here. Again, another Body Shop product. I am so sorry. This is the Vitamin E Moisturising Cream. It has hydration for over 48 hours, and I was previously using this day and night, but I have recently switched to a different moisturiser for the daytime because it has SPF in it. But this one here, the Vitamin E one, is what I use during the nighttime because it just gives me so much hydration. I've been using it for about 3 months now, and I really do enjoy this, and I would definitely repurchase this, and also it lasts forever. So basically that is my finished skincare routine, but I am just going to quickly talk about a few more products which I use throughout the day. I don't necessarily have them in a routine, but I do very regularly use them throughout the day, just when I feel like I need them. So the two products which I want to speak about are these two. So firstly, this is what I use before I apply my makeup. This is the Mario Badescu Skincare Facial Spray. I love this, and it's just super refreshing and makes sure that your skin is nicely primed and healthy before you apply tons and tons of product. And then the second product which I want to talk about is by Liz Earle. This is the Liz Earle Instant Boost Skin Tonic Spritzer, and it's basically just like a refreshing, toning water that you can spritz on your face. I sometimes do use it before my moisturiser, but usually I just use this throughout the day when I've got no makeup on and I just want to refresh my face. It's a source of vitamin E, it's got cucumber extracts, aloe vera extracts, tons of natural ingredients that are just really good for your skin, and I just love using this throughout the day when my skin feels a little bit dry and just really needing a refresh. I used this a ton when I was doing my exams, and when I was revising throughout the day, I just would go in and spray my face, and it just used to wake me up and make me feel so much better. So I think that is all the products which I needed to speak about. As I said at the start of this video, I've been using all of these for at least 2 or 3 months, if not more for some of them, and I do love them and they've definitely been working. So I hope that this video was helpful, and if you want to try some of them out, then I would definitely recommend picking them up. If you did enjoy it and find it helpful, then feel free to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye guys!